Hi everyone. In this short video, I will show you how to add our Instafill extension to your Chrome or Edge browser and how to effectively use it. Let's start. So first we'll need to add the Chrome extension or the Edge add-on to the browser you use. There are a few ways on how you can do that. You can find it on Chrome Web Store or on Windows Store just by typing Instafill in the search bar. Alternatively, you can just Google it, but you can also find the extensions on the Instafill website. Just go to Instafill.ai and here you will find both the Chrome and the Edge versions. Choose your version and let's head over to the store where you can review the details and install the extension to your browser. Once you add the extension, it will automatically detect any PDF form you open online. Here is how it works. So, for example, I'm searching for the Form W9. I found it on the IRS website. Here I'm opening the PDF. And now, see how the extension icon lights up. This means that it recognizes the form. When I click on the icon, I'm immediately redirecting to Instafill and my Form W9 is automatically loaded and processed by Instafill. And I already have this form saved in my Instafill account and I can proceed with filling it out. So finally, you simply download your completed form ready for use. So the best part is that you don't have to manually download the form, then go to Instafill and upload it again manually. When searching for a needed form, you just click the extension icon when it's active and you will be instantly redirected to Instafill where you can fill it out automatically. So this is how it works. It's that simple. Thank you for watching. If you found this demo helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and how to make your form filling process easier with Instafill. See you next time.